So, in this problem, you had given a list of links. This is your 01, this is your 02, and 03, 14. When you had given a list of links, you have to identify whether it is a valid tree or not. By looking at this picture, you can understand it's a valid tree. There are no cycles or elements are connected. But when it comes to here you had given another list. 01 is there, 1, 2 is there, 2, 3 is there, 1, 3 is there, 1, 4 is there. There are 5 links, but there is a circle over here, cycle over here. That means this is not a valid. So how would you identify if you are given a set of links? How would you identify is that a valid tree? You did not connect all of them, but whichever is connected, those should be a valid tree. So the approach we can do here is you had given a link. A link will be like you are connected to pair of stuff. So these two nodes, if it is part of tree, this will be kind of undirected graph. You have to make it directed and you have to place one of them as root. You can convert this tree, something like currently 0 is the root. You can simply place 1 as root, 4 as its one of children, 0 as one of its children, and 2, 3 as children of 0. This is also a valid representation of this collection, this list of links. So the whole idea of this program is you set one of the element as root and make the rest of them as children's and subchildren's. So you will be having a link like this. You designate this guy as root. This is root. Okay, it's giving me crown. When you find another link which might be connected to here, if it is connected to here, you make this guy as root number 2, parent of this guy. And when you get another link which may be connected to here, you keep this guy as root and you make this as child. So somewhere you found a link which were the fourth link which you had received. When you find the super root of this guy, you will be giving this answer. When you find the super root of this guy, you will be getting this answer. So it ideally forms a cycle. This is how you identify a bad link. You have to identify the super root. If those two are giving you a bad impression means same root. When you form a new link, those two must have different roots. If those two are giving same root, a link is here, but those two have same root, that means you are ideally making a cycle over there. This is how you identify whether a list is forming a. Let's go through the code that will give you more clarity. So initially you have a nodes. You have declare a parent array nodes. You will be keeping all of them as disintegrated. That means their parent is assigned as themselves. Now you will be iterating over edges. So you have edge means a link. You have one end of the link and you have 0. Other end of the link 1. You have 2 links. You will be finding the parent of both links. So how to find parent of a link? While parent p not equal to p equal to parent. This will give you the super root of IT0, the first node. This will give you super root of the super root means the real root of the tree. You can have a parent will have another parent. So finally you need a root. That root you will be receiving from these two. If these two are two trees, that means p not equal to q. Then connect them. Parent of p equal to q. If not, they are part of same link, but they have same parent. That means they are already connected via a different route in the tree, and you are making them connected. That in result, it is forming a cycle. So you have to mark it as false. This is not a tree. It's false. Okay. Both are giving 0. But one was supposed 1 and next was supposed to 0. I took these two examples. This was supposed to be, this was supposed to be. And let's check the reference. Okay. But it gave false, right? Okay. The first sample, this one, which belongs to this tree, is giving a true answer. Next is giving a false answer.